On your smartphone, open a browser. In browser, type here Google Photos and open photos.google.com. And then, if you're first time in here, go ahead and log into your Google Photos account using your Google account. Okay, now tap this three dot, tap on select photos, and select those photos you want to download to your gallery. Once you selected this three dot again, tap on download, and all of your selected photos will download to your gallery, as you can see. Once downloaded, go to your Files app, go to Download folder. In here you will find photos.zip file. So we have to extract the zip file. Tap on Extract, and then go to your phone gallery, and here you will find all of your downloaded photos just like this.